The DT wrench. Odds are you have one of these, maybe one of these, or maybe one of these in your box. You need one of these. The DT wrench. The DT wrench attaches quickly and easily to the ends of almost any adjustable jaw plier. It fastens down securely with a wing nut. It's indispensable for one of those recessed applications such as this. Move back the escutcheon, apply the DT wrench, and in a couple turns, you've got it. No mess, no chipping, no hammering, no chiseling. Would you rather use one of these wrenches? No, it doesn't fit. The DT wrench quickly and easily removes and installs the nut. Here, you slide the escutcheon back on. No chipped finished surface, no refinishing. You're done. Would you rather carry around a full set of these? Would this be convenient? Is this the solution you're after? I don't think so. The DT wrench is convenient. Now consider a recessed application for a cleanout. The DT wrench doubles not only as a spanner type wrench, but also for a cleanout removal tool. A few turns and you've got it. The DT wrench.